What up? So this is Green Hill Gardens, just on the latest project right now. It's at a client's house. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little walkthrough. We're gonna be pulling out some weeds for them today, doing some trimming and also doing some planting. So you can just take a look at what's going on so far. So like I said, a lot of these dead shrubs, we're going to be removing them very soon. And then yeah, we'll be doing some planting for them. Alright, and this is just the backyard portion of the client's house here. So yeah, we're going to be cleaning up the garden here, doing some new planting. And like I said, a little bit more cleaning just around the edges here for him. But otherwise, this client has a very beautiful home and really nice property. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, start cleaning everything up for him, and just kind of go from there.